Kagadosh Boker, we're just going to continue with halachot of the 3 weeks. We just mentioned about the haftarah, that we said that whenever you have the 3 haftarot, Tzlata de Puranuta and the Sheva de Nechamata, Shitat Maran is that whenever you're going to have this, it will even override Rosh Chodesh. So this actually comes out on Shabbat Rosh Chodesh, which is going to be Rosh Chodesh Av, which means that this Shabbat coming up is called Shabbat Mevarechin, but we do not actually do a regular Shabbat Mevarechin. Our minhag is to do Mechadesh Chodashim, which is a special nusach, which is the nusach of the end of the Kinah of Hashacher Adati, which means that we don't actually bless the regular month of Rosh Chodesh. We come and we say Mechadesh Chodashim Yechabetz Nosim, and we just mention and that's it, but we're not actually mentioning Rosh Chodesh Av. And that's what you're going to be doing this Shabbat. That's the only difference of this Shabbat. And then obviously you have the Haftarah, but again, the Haftarah, which is going to be on the next Shabbat, which is going to be Shabbat Rosh Chodesh, you don't do the regular Haftarah of Shabbat Rosh Chodesh, you do the Haftarah of the 3 weeks, the Tlata de Puranuta, the 3 weeks, and then what you do is afterwards you will do the first and last pasuk of Rosh Chodesh, the Haftarah of Rosh Chodesh. That is the minhag, because according to Shulchan Aruch, it overtakes the 3 weeks, and then the 7 weeks of consolation will always overtake that. Then the next Shabbat, when it's going to be Shabbat Rosh Chodesh, we know the minhag is that we do not sing the Hallel, which means we only just read the Hallel. But since Mishenichnas Av, Ma'atim Besimcha, Mishenichnas Av is already on Rosh Chodesh in itself, and therefore we read the Hallel and we do not sing the Hallel. That is going to be throughout the entire Shabbat and the Rosh Chodesh. Then after that, there was actually a minhag that many times they wouldn't even sing throughout the entire 3 weeks. But here we only do it on Shabbat Chazon, that we don't sing whatsoever. But there was such a minhag that even throughout the entire 3 weeks, they would not be singing, because again, even if it's going to be that on Shabbat you don't do Avilut B'Farhesia, it's not the Avilut, it's just that we're just going to read the Tefillah in a nice tune, but it's not like we're going to come and start singing different songs to show of the happiness of what we have. And that's what's going to happen until the next Shabbat, which is going to be Shabbat Chazon. Remember, on the Shabbat of Rosh Chodesh, which is going to be not the Shabbat, the next Shabbat, since it's Shabbat Rosh Chodesh, we do not say Tzidkatecha, right? Because again, it's Shabbat and Rosh Chodesh, so therefore we don't do Tacharonim. And what we do is during Seudah Shlishit, we will say Retzeh and Ya'alev Yavo. As long as you started the meal beforehand, you're going to have both of them that you'll be able to say until the nighttime. And then, again, obviously, starting from that Motzei Shabbat, technically there's a Heter to have Melaveh Malkah from meat, but then starting the next day, that's going to be the 9 days that we refrain from meat and wine until, again, the next Shabbat, or until afterwards, Bezrat Hashem, until after Tisha B'Av. So that Bezrat Hashem is just leading up to the days of Tisha B'Av.